So, gotten a little further. I just wanted to real quick show again what the inside of the banana blossom looks like. A better view. Actually, let me set this down. Right on the... Nope, maybe not. Nope. Okay. On the edge of the cutting board. Hopefully not too close to the edge. And then, like I said, you just pop those down and they come right off. And then they go in the bowl. And then I was trying to peel. I know I mentioned the other day that I don't really have any nails, and it's still true because I did trim them some. The ones that were starting to grow a little bit. Just because in the area of business that I had been in for quite some time, not always the same ones, but the different areas of business I was in for quite some time, nails often got into the way and then would get bent back and sometimes ripped or painful. So you can see just how fresh this particular one is. It's too bad I can't find them like this all the time. Hopefully the next time I go to get them again, they will have at least one that looks like this. This was super fresh, but you couldn't tell from the outside because it was well wrapped up with saran wrap. I checked by the bottom edge, looked like there's some fresher bits that were still there. The rest of it looked pretty terrible actually, but it's hard to tell through saran wrap because they don't just wrap it once, they wrap it tightly. They wrap it around tightly, and then you would just check on the bottom, but that oxidizes, so that looks aged and kind of icky to begin with. So anywho, so I'm going to go and just show where I'm at with this. I'm going to pause it again. I'm going to stick it back on the charger just to be on the safe side. Bowl of the petals, and here are the stamens. And these, like I had said last time, maybe not so much the little ones, but the other ones that are larger all need to be peeled back and separated, which I can go through and show that. Oh, I can even do it with one hand. Wow. Look at me. Look, Ma, just one hand. Oh, sorry. You would peel this back, and this little bit right there would get peeled off completely, and then you would save the rest to eat. And the reason that you peel this back and discard this is it's sort of like, if you get one by accident, trust me, you'll know it because it's harder. No. Pointing at the sink again. Anywho, this is a work in progress. This is a whole process, seriously. The recording, not so much the subject matter. Well, the subject matter too, because I'm still not comfortable with me recording. But anywho, so you would peel back this, and then you could use the rest of it. And this is, I was getting I can't peel it back. So it's almost like dealing with the fish bone without the spikiness of the fish bone. But you definitely can tell. It looks like a Q-tip, tiny Q-tip. You can definitely tell if you got one accidentally and you're trying to chew on it. It's not going to hurt you, but you probably want to spit it out, which, yeah, it's harder, so you're not going to enjoy it. You're not going to enjoy trying to eat it. So, but yeah. So, so just like that. And then you would do that a million more times to get all the rest of these. And then you would go on to the next step. And your next step would be probably cutting those up more, or dicing them. You could dice those up and make an Asian salad, because they are tasty. You can eat them raw. They do not have to be cooked, but I have only eaten them cooked, and right now I do rather like them cooked. I made some little fake salmon chicken patties the other day with the other two blossoms. Anywho, I'm gonna stop this right now.